This is what it came with.
Wait, what?
What the? Yeah. Yeah, you got a
It came supercharged?
Yeah.
All right, today is another day of employee parking. I think it's like one of your guys' favorite shows. So we're not talking about this because let's be honest, Chemblog don't work here. Actually, we should go this way. Reverse! Today, we're going to talk about
Jameson?
Lexus. This is a truck you guys all keep asking us to tell you more about. So today we're gonna do that. By the way, Jameson owns like 40 Lexuses, but this I think is the one that we brought to Wheel of Lunch like a while ago. And everyone was like, what the hell is that thing? We need to know more about that thing. So here it is, more about that thing. What up, Jameson?
Yo, what up?
By now, everybody should know Jameson, but Jameson, what do you do here?
I do a little bit of everything.
A lot of nothing.
Yeah.
Just like us.
What Jameson does is every time I ask him to help me work on my Land Rover, all of a sudden he's at lunch.
Yeah.
But what is it? So, like, just why?
Why this?
Yeah, just tell me about it.
So
I'm not shaming you or anything. It's just.
So yeah, I actually got this thing on trade. I was just on off-road one day, and I saw this get posted for sale, and the dude was like, just looking to trade my Land Cruiser. He didn't mention what it was. Wanted to trade an SUV for a truck, and I had a dirty little old Tacoma two-wheel drive work truck, and I hit him up. I was like, yo, you want to trade? And he ended up trading me. The crazy part is...
Wait, so how much of this was done when you got it?
Oh, it was a bone stock.
Oh, okay, so you got it as just a bone stock.
Yeah, it was like grandpa spec, had fender flares, body cladding, all the 90s plastic all over the sides.
You do know that like people who pretend to camp in the woods would pay good money for these stuff,
Oh,
right?
yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
you know, there's a whole bunch of people who put rooftop tents on this,
Yeah.
and then they go drive places and they take photos
Yeah.
on Instagram, and then they go camp somewhere else.
Yeah.
Anyway, there's a whole collection of people who they kill for this, and instead you made it into something that actually crawls and does cool shit.
Oh yeah, yeah. I don't know if I can say it, but this thing flips.
No, you can say it. Just say it a couple times,
Yeah.
just to make the editors. Yo, this thing shit fucks hard.
Want to win $500 worth of new Hoonigan gear? Sign up for our loyalty squad. It's free. And if you're already part of the squad, you already entered.
So what have you done to it? So like, let's talk first, like suspension, wheels, like, are these stock axles? Like what?
Yeah, stock solid axles. It was not locked, like no lockers in front or rear when I got it. So I added a rear locker and a front locker, Eaton E-locker, which is actually a better unit than the factory unit. Because now I could just lock it on the fly. With the factory unit, you would have to.
Is it like an airlock?
It's E-lock.
Oh, E-lock, okay.
Yeah.
You just said that, I just wasn't listening.
Yeah.
I wasn't listening because I saw Zach's beautiful self walking in on this picture right here.
This
Jameson,
thing is so rowdy. And, like,
this thing's so rowdy and he drives it like 100 miles every day back and
Yeah.
forth to work.
Yeah, so this is actually one of 3 of my Land Cruisers. This is the 80 series. I have a 60, 100, a 60, 80, and 100.
So what do you have suspension-wise in here?
Suspension-wise, it's only a 2.5-inch lift, but I'm running...
Why does it look so tall?
It's because it's 40s, and my quarter panels and fenders are radiused.
Yeah, that helps.
So it's a 2.5-inch lift spring. I'm running 7-inch lift shocks. So the springs itself are variable travel, so they extend like super long. If you look, they're all bound up right now, like kind of banana-ish. But the amount of down travel I gained with that sort of setup is ridiculous.
What's the hood scoop from?
The hood scoop came from my buddy's FC that he crashed.
I was about to say that looks like the standard
And
drift car hood scoop. Anything done engine-wise?
Yeah, if you want me to pop the hood.
Yeah, pop the hood. Come on, don't you watch the show? People want to see stuff.
So this is the part where I lost my mind on off-road. When this dude like listed it for sale and didn't mention anything about it, and I saw the engine bay picture and I was like, holy, this is all factory. This is what it came with.
Wait, what?
What the? Yeah, you got a
It
factory
came
blower?
supercharged?
Yeah, it's a TRD Magnuson supercharged carb legal.
Holy shit.
What?
Yeah.
Was this a thing? They
It was-
came supercharged?
I knew it was a available unit to purchase, but I've never seen it dealer.
So it was like a
install.
dealer option or dealer
I
install.
guess so, yeah. Because I've never seen it
Wow.
in the actual TRD bag.
And the dude you bought it off of had no clue.
Yeah.
Like he didn't realize that this was special.
He just wanted a truck, and he's like, "Wow, yeah, let's trade."
This is a great come up. Yo, I feel like the moment just happened where he just popped the hood and just showed us the 2J under the shitty Super and Fast and Furious. Like,
Pop the hood?
Pop the hood.
JC engine, no shit.
any interior mods?
Interior's fairly clean.
It's got the leather in there.
Yeah,
Oh look, man!
Yo, luxury rock crawler.
I love that you got your removable Nardi wheel in there. You bring a little culture to the off-road world with the Nardi. Look at that. I love that. Also, I was like, I stuck my head in there. I'm like, what does that smell? It's so familiar. It's not weed. I'm like, no, it's just tires in the back of the car. That's what that smell is.
Yeah, this thing, it was really nice when I got it, but since I traded my work truck for it, I used it as a work truck, so the carpet in the back's all tore up now, and that's why I have tires back here too.
So you ruined it.
Yeah,
Good work.
I ruined it.
Yeah, you did.
Let's go do something. What do you want to see this thing do? Can it jump or can it only crawl?
It can only crawl.
Yo, crawl up the back of this dude's truck.
Yeah, go hump this truck. Just mount this dude. Just roll up over his back wheels. Just let him know who's boss, like a dog. Like, you know, like when a little dog goes and tries to hump a big dog? Go do it to that thing right there.
You're joking, right?
Exert dominance. He's like, I'm down. Let's ask this dude if we can hump him.
Can we change the subject?
All right, start that bad boy up.
It's got a little bit of a whine when you get into it.
There's really no chop to rate, but you can rate his wine. Give him a wine rating.
Wine rating, you know, I think we're like we're in a docile, kind of like a 4, but.
It's a Cabernet, bro. It's a Cabernet.
It's a stock
Do you have
exhaust.
exhaust on here?
No, it's stock exhaust.
Oh, you gotta change that. What are the future plans? Because like, you talked to what you've done so far, but clearly you have like a vision.
Yeah. The whole reason why it's only painted up to the quarter panel is because that whole rear end is going to disappear.
Disappear.
Yeah.
So you're gonna cut that off.
I'm going to cut that off, extend the frame a foot, and then build a flatbed and a tray canopy. I'll show you.
So you'll keep the doors, all 4 doors, and
Yeah.
then you'll do a tray back from that way backwards.
Exactly.
All right, let's go fucking find some shit to fucking crawl over and break some shit.
Hell yeah, brother, let's go!
Kind of quick for like an old Toyota
Yeah.
on 40s.
Yeah, that's why I daily drove this here like every day.
I mean, it's not fast, but it's not slow.
Yeah.